Hey, welcome to my channel. This video will be a walk around video specifically to show the car's imperfections and how well it actually looks for its age. This is a pre-walk around basically of the interior and the mileage that it currently has at the time that it was taken out for the actual walk around. Here's the vehicle after I washed it. It's been washed, hand washed its whole life. Basically, whenever I took it to car washes, being that it's got ceramic coating, it was pretty easy to wash, basically spray off and dry off the water. Here I'm just trying to show a few rock chips on the PPF. The wheel has no scratches on that one, and none actually. Showing around the door panels, under the doors, under the frame itself. Nothing notable, everything looks good. Just showing. Now I'm going to show the roof of the car. It's clean, nothing sagging, everything looks practically new. Nothing wrong with the seats either. Hardly really anyone sat on the back except for my two young kids. For a few years they didn't weigh much, so no weight. It's like nobody used it. Rear diffuser from Dinman looks good. I'm showing around the trunk area. This area is typically dirty when people don't take care of it. I usually cleaned it, removed that little panel there from the tail lights from time to time to clean it. You can see around the trunk itself looks pretty mint, clean. The spoiler is new, less than a year old. I replaced it. The previous one was 6 years old, and the sun pretty much beat it up. Here you can see the bumper. It's got a small nick from the tire when my shock went out. Unfortunately, it happened as somebody sat in the back, a friend of mine, that I had two adults sitting in the back, and it happened right there and then, and it actually touched the bumper a little. Everything else around here looks pretty clean. When I wash the car, I dry within the door and the frame of the car, just so it's nice, clean, and not dirty. Here you can see how clean it looks, hopefully, in the video. Door panels, mint, clean. Seats, looking good. Regular looking seat for 10 years. The interior is fairly mint. Carbon fiber parts, they're all clean. No clear coating fading or peeling, none of that. Everything works. Steering wheel looks good still. The Alcantara looks good as well. You can tell it's been used, but it's not terrible compared to others that I've seen. Driver's seat looks good. Armrest looks good. E-brake, nothing wrong with it. They all look good. Moving around, the mirror cap, it's brand new, less than 6 months. Front tire, wheels good, no scratches. Side skirts, they look perfect. Trying to show the eyelid, I guess, on the headlight. You can replace that if you want. Bumper, it's got a few nicks on the PPF from rocks, whatnot. Everything else around this area looks good as well. I'm going to show here shortly. There is, I guess not yet. I'm going to show here on the roof, there's a small rock chip. The roof was repainted with a clear coat, because these cars suffer from that. But other than that, the roof looks pretty good. No complaints. It's less than a year old. So, and here is how many miles I got on my way back home. Sport Plus. And this car is a blast to drive. I cannot complain, and I'm sad to let it go.